Meaning of inverted snobbery.
Inverted snobbery.
Inverted snobbery.
Inverted snobbery.
Inverted snobbery. The term inverted snobbery refers to a form of snobbery in which a person deliberately rejects or disdains the things that are associated with wealth, high social status or traditional culture, in favor of things that are considered to be more humble, authentic or populist. In other words, instead of flaunting their own status and wealth, an inverted snob shows off their supposed lack of status, education, or wealth as a way of garnering attention or respect from others. For example, someone who refuses to wear designer clothing or eat at fancy restaurants could be exhibiting inverted snobbery.